Good day everyone. For today's presentation, we're discussing what are the hardware parts of computer. So first, we have the computer case, motherboard, monitor, keyboard, speaker, and so on. First, you have the CPU. But what is the function and purpose of CPU? Central Processing Unit is known as the brains of our personal computer. It parsing instructions, manipulating data, controls interaction of other circuits, and it also contains a control unit, one or more execution unit, registers, single versus multi-core processors. Now we have the keyboard. Well, computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer system by pressing buttons or keys. It is primary device used to enter text. A keyboard typically keys for individual letters, numbers, and a special character, as well as keys for specific functions. A keyboard connected to a computer system using cable or a wireless connection. We have now is the speaker. A speaker is a device used to play audio from an electronic device. And also, a speaker are standard output devices used with computer systems that enable the listener to listen to a sound as an outcome. Some speakers are used once they have been linked to a computer, while others may be connected to any type of sound system. This is the power supply unit. Power supply unit is the electric source of all components of a computer. The function of the power supply unit is to convert the electrical power, which is AC, from wall socket to a suitable type and voltage, which is DC, so that each component of a computer works properly. Now we have is the computer storage devices, which is include hard disk drive, optical disk, floppy disk, memory card, and flash drive or pen drive. Storage devices is used to store data and programs permanently on storage media, and computer hardware components that writes and read data to and from storage media. We have now is RAM and ROM. The differences between RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory, or it is volatile in nature. Its content are erased when power is turned off, and we can read as well as write through this memory. While ROM stands for read-only memory, which is non-volatile in nature, and its contents are not erased when power is turned off, and we can only read this memory and we cannot write through it. We have now is the back panel connectors, which include BGA port, parallel port, LAN port, PS2 port, and audio port, and also USB port. So each port has their own purposes. For example, parallel port is for the printer, and BGA port is for the monitor, and also LAN port is for the internet connections. We can see now is the mouse. Mouse has a 4 parts, which is keyboard, wheel, right click, and left click. Well, keyboard is connects to USB port on computer. Wheel is to control up and down the page or menu. Right click is to open context sensitive menus, while left click is to move cursor or select an object. Now this is the CPU fan or cooling fan. Well, the fan works by blowing air over the hot components of the computer, such as central processing unit, graphics processing unit, and other internal components to dissipate the heat. We have now is the motherboard. Motherboard has 7 functions. Number 1 is data management. 2, optimize power distribution. Number 3 is to drive communication. Number 4 is conserves resources. Number 5 is to enhance performance. Number 6 is to improve reliability. And the number 7 is to enable productivity. Lastly, we have the monitor. Monitor has their own purposes, which is for gaming, word processing, data entry, web browsing, or sending and receiving emails. Now we have the input and output devices, but we didn't discuss some of them lately.
Now we learn the hardware part of computer and its function.
If you want to get updated to our latest video, just click the subscribe button and don't forget to like. Thank you!